Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable text protection for on-screen keyboard on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable or disable text protection for on-screen keyboard on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. Now type here on-screen keyboard. Click on screen keyboard. After click on option, and if you want to disable, so uncheck this box, and if you want to enable or turn on use text protection, so check this box. After click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable or disable text protection for on-screen keyboard on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.